Number 8, a web page design firm has 2 designs for an online hardware store. To determine which is more effective design, the firm uses one page in the Dallas area and a second page in the Boston area. For each visit, the firm records the number of items viewed and the amount of time visiting the site. We're going to complete parts A through C below. So what is the explanatory variable? Is it qualitative or quantitative? So it says we made 2 design pages to determine which is more effective. So we want to know which one is more effective. So we're using 2 designs for an online hardware store. So the design is going to be the explanatory variable. The explanatory variable is the web design, is qualitative. So B looks to be the best choice there. What are the 2 response? What are the 2 response variables? So to determine more effective design, the firm uses one page in Dallas area, second page in Boston. For each visit, the firm records the number of items viewed and the amount of time. So the number of items viewed and the amount of time, those are going to be our 2 response variables. One variable is the number of items viewed, quantitative, number of items viewed, we can count. Once about a number of amount of time visiting the site, this response variable is quantitative. So both of these, A and C, we're going to pick both. C, explain how co-founding might be an issue in this study. Okay, since there are 2 response variables in this study, they may interact, causing the results to be misleading or incorrect. That's possible. Since the variables are not all quantitative or all qualitative, that's not going to match. Since there's only one explanatory variable and 2 response variables, the explanatory variable will not affect both response. Since the designs are being tested with 2 different locations, preference depending on location may affect the response for both these groups. So A and C do seem possible. I feel like A would be the better one, because if you're looking at more items, you're going to spend more time, and if you only look at a few items, you're going to spend less time. So I think both of those are going to interact with each other and cause that issue. Okay, so they don't like it. They like probably D is going to be the best answer choice. Since the designs are being tested with 2 different locations, preference depending on location may affect the response variable for these groups. So that would be the next best one. Well, obviously it is the best one here. And that's it. Alright, so just vocabulary, and then if you need help, just email me and I can help you out.